Hello, Blue Bear Repair. My name is Robert Reed. I work with plumbing and remodeling companies all over the United States. And I came across your website while doing some research, and I figured you guys could use a little help. So I made this video for you, and here are three tips that I want to talk about. Is competition and is content, keywords, and citations. So I have a lot of, so I don't want to waste your time and waste my time either, but by the end of this video, you like what you've heard, and you can tell I've got a lot of strategies to help grow your business. It's something that you're looking for. Give me a call and we can chat. If not, no harm, no foul. Feel free to take the tips that I've given you and use them for yourself. Three tips I'm going to give you is content, citation, and backlinks. So I've looked, this is your website, by the way, and it's not secure. And yeah, you've got 16 backlinks, so you've got a little bit of help and 4 referring domains on your website. And you've been, found for 2 keywords, but you have no traffic coming in. So the LLC is not Better Business accredited. You are on Facebook, right here. So you've got a presence out there. And when I search, I can search you Facebook, this place here. I'm not sure that it even comes up. Oh, well, there you got a website on here. So it obviously needs a lot of work to it, and we'd be glad to help you out. I'm not really sure what's going on here, but this connection has nothing, and this connection has looks like a new site you've built or something, but it needs a lot of help. So if you're interested in getting some help with this, please call me at 502-220-1473, and have a great day.